Nil. Usually in other programming languages, objects that have not been initialized automatically have null or nil values. Different from Golang, in Golang, when we create a variable with a certain data type, the default value will automatically be created. However, in Golang, there is nil data, which is empty data. Nil itself can only be used in several data types, such as interface, function, map, slice, pointer, and channel. In this scenario, we are exploring the creation of a function named printf-not-nil in the Go programming language. The primary purpose of this function is to take an integer input, specifically a pointer to an integer, int, and execute a set of instructions based on the condition of the pointer. Within the function printf-not-nil, there is an execution block that checks whether the value pointed to by the parameter pt is not equal to nil. If the condition holds true, indicating that the pointer is pointing to a valid memory address, the value of the pointer will be printed. However, if the pointer is nil, indicating that it is not pointing to any memory address, a message such as pointer is nil will be printed. Let's explore the function in action. First, we execute the function with the input value nil. In this case, the condition within the function will evaluate to false, and the message pointer is nil will be printed. This demonstrates the handling of a nil pointer scenario. Next, we create a variable, say num, and assign it the value 12. Subsequently, we pass the address of this variable, denoted by and num, to the printf-not-nil function. Since the pointer is pointing to a valid memory address, the address of num, the function will print the value pointed to by the pointer, which is 12.